Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to do your second worksheet for your math homework in your winter packet. So you're finding equivalent fractions, and it says find the missing numbers in the equivalent fractions below. So I'm looking for those gray boxes. So if I look right here, I'm looking and seeing, I have both of my numerators, but I don't have both of my denominators. So I need to look at the numerators first. So I can see that I have a 5, and I need to figure out how to get from 5 to 15. I know that if I'm getting a larger number, I must be multiplying. So you might want to make a note to yourself, if the number is going up, you multiply. If the number is going down, you divide. So I need to figure out 5 times what number is 15. Well, if I roll my 5s, 5, 10, 15, I know I have 3 fingers up, so I could do 5 times 3. Whatever I do to the top of my fraction, I must do to the bottom because it's like multiplying by 1 and it's not changing the value. So if I did the top times 3, I would do the bottom times 3. So 7 times 3 will be 21. So my new equivalent fraction for 5 sevenths is 15 21s. So let's look at another example. Let's look at the next one. So I can see I don't know both of my numerators, but I do know both of my denominators. So I'm trying to ask myself, how could I go from 8 to 32? Again, I know if I'm getting a larger number, 32 is bigger, I need to multiply. So I'm thinking, let me roll my 8s. 8, 16, 24, 32. I need to multiply by 4. So that means up here I'm thinking, what number times 4 would be 4? Well, I know 1 times 4 would be 4.